Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? The Trucker's Wall of Shame Unchained. I'd like to give the motoring public a friendly reminder that you need to do a better job, or we need to do a better job at paying attention to road layout and signage like yield signs and stop signs. This old motorist right here, she's going to learn a valuable lesson while you stop before the yield sign instead of stopping way out past it. She failed to yield to the semi truck here and got taken out. Guys, remember, you have to yield the right of way to through traffic. The other driver, he was the through traffic. That's all I'm going to say. Safety first on those highways and byways. We're back to the wheels. 73s.